Now, children, this is another poem, Fire and Ice by Robert Frost. Now, here the poet wants to say that there are two emotions in human beings also, and there are two things that can destroy this world. This is a mythical belief in all of us that one day this world will end. And how the world will end? There can be two things. One, it can be destroyed by fire, and secondly, it can be destroyed by ice. That means there will be so much ice, it would be frozen and the world will end, or there would be fire and the world will end. Here, these two things, fire and ice, are compared by two emotions in humankind, in mankind, and that is, one is desire and one is hate. He'll tell you how. First stanza. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. Like I told you, there's a belief that the world will either end in fire or it would end with ice. It would get frozen and nobody could be able to survive, whether it's ice or fire. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. Now the poet is saying, if I take this conception that the world will end with fire, then I would again bring out this point that even if a mankind have so much of desire in his heart, and he is not thinking about anything, it is just desire, whether it's good or bad, it's positive or negative, it's advantage, it has got disadvantage, but still if a person is desiring something which cannot be good, but still there is a strong desire in a humankind or in a human nature, definitely that men will get destructed. In the same way, the same thing desire is compared with fire. The fire will ruin the world. In the same way, a desire can ruin the person, can end the person. Next stanza. But if it has to perish twice, perish means to die or to end something, to destruct. But if it has to perish twice, that means if the world has got another chance to, get totally ruined, totally destructed, that it can be ice also. I think I know enough of hate. Now he's telling, if we compare our hatredness in our minds, if we hate somebody, if the humankind, there is so much of hatredness for each other, that feeling is compared with ice. It is not very fiery, it is not very furious, but still that hate is compared with ice. And like the ice can destroy the world, in the same way, a hatred in the humankind, a hatred, feeling of hatred for each other or for anybody in any human being can destroy that person, that can destroy the humankind. To say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice, that means the poet wants to say the destruction from ice can also be sufficient, can be enough to end the world. That means fire can also end the world, ice can also end the world. Both are sufficient. In the same way, desire can also end the humankind, and hatred can also, finish the humankind. So this was a poem by Robert Frost.